Hot dogs. They're stinking great, aren't they? But you know what's better than a hot dog? Two hot dogs. Similarly, one software helping your business out is pretty neat, but two solutions working together for your business is even better. Luckily, you can do just that with Monday.com integrations, and maybe you could get some hot dogs too. But before we get into that, hi, I'm Kyle, and today I'm going to show you how to add integrations to your Monday.com boards. In the simplest of terms, Monday.com integrations are practically the same as Monday.com automations, but instead of only using if-then conditions within Monday.com, they can also use them with a bunch of different other solutions as well. And if you don't know how Monday.com automations work, check out the video I did about it. You can find it by clicking in the annotation in the top right corner of the screen or in the description below. So to start, go to the board that you need integrations for, then click on the button in the top right area of the screen that says Integrate. A page will pop up called the Integration Center, and you'll see a whole bunch of apps you can make integrations with. In this video, we're going to build an integration with the business messaging tool Slack, but the process will be similar regardless of which app you choose. So since we're making a Slack integration, I'll start by clicking on Slack. You'll then see a bunch of template options pop up with all of the different integrations you can build out. Important note, what you see here is the collection of all possible integrations you can do with this specific app. Unlike automations, you cannot build one from scratch, as the only options available are all right here on this screen. For this example, we're going to make an integration for when a status changes to something, notify user. So I'll click on Add to Board. When I do that, a screen will pop up asking you to link your Monday.com account to your account with whatever app you're using your automation for. Since we're doing a Slack integration, that's what pops up for us. We'll go ahead and follow along with the instructions on screen to connect the accounts. There we go. And now a familiar screen will appear. The template you chose on the previous screen is on your screen with underlined words. These underlined words are variables specific to this template and this app. So you will click on each of them to tell Monday.com what is happening, how it's happening, who is involved, and when it should happen. For this example, we'll tell Monday.com that when an item gets put into the stuck status, ping a specific person. Once we're pleased with how we set things up, we can hit Add to Board and it will be activated. You'll see it on your Monday.com board integrations page now. From here, you can flip the integration on or off, and you can click on the ellipses or three dots in the top right corner to make any edits, duplicate the integration, or delete it. Now that this is in place, if we go in and change the status of an item on our board to stuck, we'll get a notification sent to us in Slack. There are tons of different possible integrations possible with all of the apps that Monday.com can integrate with, including Microsoft Apps, Google Apps, LinkedIn, Dropbox, and more. So get in there and try making some for yourself. I, on the other hand, have to wrap up this video, but thanks for watching. If you want to see what other options for PM software are, other than Monday.com of course, visit our website at TechnologyAdvice.com for our free list of the top options available today. Thanks again for watching, and go be good and great. Great and good.